Earning online has never been easier thanks to the Fiverr affiliate program. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, this program can help you generate a steady income by promoting Fiverr's freelancing services, offering commissions of up to $150 per referral. It's a perfect way to monetize your digital presence. Let's dive into this comprehensive step-by-step guide to earning through Fiverr affiliates. Step 1. Understand the Fiverr affiliate program. Before you start, it's crucial to grasp the basics. Fiverr is a global freelancing platform connecting businesses with skilled freelancers. Its affiliate program allows you to earn by promoting Fiverr services through a unique link. Here's why it's worth considering. Instant approval. The program approves accounts almost immediately. Diverse plans. Fiverr offers several commission models to suit different marketing strategies. Flexibility. Promote links on blogs, social media, YouTube, or other platforms. Competitive payouts. Commissions range from $15 to $150 for each first purchase made by a user through your link. Step 2. Sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program. The registration process is simple and quick. Here's how you can get started. 1. Visit the website, go to Fiverr's affiliate page, and click Start Earning Now. 2. Fill out the form. Provide your name, email, and account type, individual or company. 3. List your traffic source. Mention platforms where you plan to promote Fiverr, like your blog or social media accounts. Specify your promotion methods. Share how you'll attract traffic, such as through email marketing, SEO, or social platforms. 5. Accept terms and verify email. Agree to the terms and conditions, then verify your email to activate your account. Once your account is set up, you'll access the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Step 3. Choose the right commission plan. Fiverr offers multiple commission structures. Choosing the one that aligns with your goals is key. Here are the available options. 1. CPA plan. Earn $15 to $150 per first-time buyer, depending on the service category. 2. Hybrid plan. Get a $10 fixed commission and 10% revenue share for the user's purchases over 12 months. 3. Business plan. Receive $100 CPA and a 10% revenue share if the user spends $100 or more. 4th affiliate referral. Earn 10% of your referred affiliate's earnings for a lifetime. 5. Learn plan. Promote Fiverr courses and earn a 30% commission on each sale. Each plan has its strengths, so tailor your strategy based on your audience's interests. Step 4. Explore the affiliate dashboard. After signing up, familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. This is your command center, showing critical performance metrics, clicks, and impressions. Track how many people interact with your links. Conversions. See how many clicks result in sales. Earnings. Monitor your income in real time. Graphs. Visualize your growth and adjust strategies accordingly. Spend time understanding these metrics to optimize your campaigns. Step 5. Utilize Fiverr marketing tools. Fiverr provides a range of tools to maximize your promotional efforts. Use these to boost your engagement and conversions. 1. Banner ads. Ready-made banners in various sizes and languages for your website. 2. Default and deep links. Send users to specific Fiverr services for targeted promotions. 3. Gig ads. Showcase Fiverr gigs directly on your site or blog. 4th. Search box. Add a search bar for Fiverr services to your page. 5. Geo-rotation groups. Use dynamic ads tailored to user locations for better results. These tools ensure that your promotions are professional and effective. Step 6. Create and promote high-quality content. Content is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. Here's how to create and share it effectively. Blogging. Write reviews, tutorials, or comparison posts about Fiverr services. Include your affiliate links naturally. YouTube videos. Create how-to videos. Explain Fiverr services, or share success stories with your links in the description. Social media. Post engaging content on platforms like Twitter, Quora, or Pinterest. Share valuable insights and include your links. Email. Marketing. Send targeted emails to your audience, highlighting Fiverr's benefits. Ensure your emails are persuasive and clear. Consistency in creating and sharing content will drive traffic to your affiliate links. Step 7. Implement effective traffic strategies. To maximize earnings, focus on strategies that drive traffic to your links. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your blog posts and videos for relevant keywords. 2. Social engagement. Interact with communities on forums and social media. Share Fiverr's services as solutions. 3. Paid ads. Consider using Google Ads or Facebook ads for targeted campaigns. 4. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or other bloggers to expand your reach. Step 8. Analyze performance and track your results regularly to identify what's working and what isn't. Use Fiverr's affiliate dashboard to monitor essential metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and total earnings. Dive deeper into data to understand user behavior, which campaigns generate the most traffic, and which services drive maximum conversions. Experiment with different promotional strategies, such as changing ad placements, refining your content, or targeting different audience segments. Adjust your approach continuously to optimize performance and ensure sustainable growth. A data-driven mindset is crucial for scaling your affiliate income effectively over time. Step 9. Manage your account and payments. Set up your payment preferences to ensure smooth transactions. Fiverr offers several options. PayPal, ideal for amounts under $1,000. Payoneer, reliable for smaller payments. Wire ACH transfer, suitable for higher earnings above $1,000. Payments are processed monthly once your earnings exceed $100. Step 10. Scale your earnings. Once you've mastered the basics, look for ways to scale your affiliate income. Expand your channels. Add more blogs, YouTube channels, or social platforms. Focus on high-converting services. Promote Fiverr categories that perform best, like graphic design or SEO services. Introduce sub-affiliates. Recruit others into the program and earn a percentage of their income. Answer common concerns. How quickly can I earn? Results depend on your efforts, but some affiliates see earnings within weeks. Do I earn from clicks? Only if the user makes a purchase within 30 days. Is Fiverr's program legit? Yes, it's a trusted platform with reliable payouts. The Fiverr affiliate program is a proven way to earn money online, whether as a side hustle or a full-time gig. By following these steps and staying consistent, you can build a reliable income stream. Subscribe to this channel for more tips and insights, and start your Fiverr affiliate journey today. Don't wait. Success is just a click away.